Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name's Abdul Karim, and today I'm going to be talking to you guys about being humble. I know, like some of us, we feel like going in life, and when you go to college and you're doing good and you get these great, the highest marks, and sometimes you come back after college and your parents are praising you, my son got the highest marks, and you're like, and then eventually you start becoming like, yes, I got the highest marks. And you start holding your chest down, raising your head a little bit higher, and it's like, I got the highest marks, I'm the best of the best. And this is just an example, by the way. And then basically later in life, like someone's like, I did better than, I beat the highest score, and you like, up until that point you were the highest, highest grade person in school, and they're like, I beat them, and there's a little bit of jealousy in your heart, And I'm just using this for example. It can be applied to anything, like business. You can get the highest position at work, and then your boss creates a position just above you and gives somebody else. And we feel like we are owed things. Life owes us things. Situation owes us things. For a start, life doesn't owe you nothing. Sometimes we go in life and we feel like we've owned things. We feel like we clawed our way up to the corporate ladder, we got to the top, and then someone beats us to the top and we're like, I earned that, I was supposed to get that, it was in my grasp and it was supposed to be mine. For a start, life don't owe you nothing. It don't owe you nothing. There's nothing that you automatically deserve in life, right? Life is a test, a measure of who you are as a person. So that being given to you, that thing that's taken away, the number one spot which you feel that you deserve, that you feel that was for you, it is a test to see how your reaction is. So I'm telling you guys now, please, when you get something, be humble. Thank your maker. Thank you for giving me this. Thank you, Rabbul Alameen. But don't feel like this is something that you are owed by life. And also don't think that, life owes you anything. You like a lot of people, especially when you're young, you ask a teenager what they want. I want to be rich. It's like, and then they kind of have this mentality that life owes them wealth. And life doesn't owe you anything, You owe your maker everything, though. You owe Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala everything. So please, be humble, remember your maker, and inshallah, Allah blesses you with the best of things. He gives you the best of goodness. Say Ameen, Ameen.